Okay, Hassan. So we are going to test for speaking part 2. So I think you are fully prepared for answering those questions, Hassan, because you also answering those questions in previous time and you also read it. I think you are fully prepared. So this is Nahidul Islam. I am your mentors. I am your examiners for asking some questions today. We go to speaking part 2, test 4. So describe a website you use that helps you a lot of in your work or studies. So so I ask you some questions because I don't give you a quick art, okay? Because it's a practice module. So what the website is?
Uh, well, one of my favorite website in where most of the time I spend it is LinkedIn, and the LinkedIn is one of the most useful website for job seeker. So I also use this, and it seems to me that I am exploring new world through these applications. Okay. So what is the next question?
Okay, Hassan, how often you use the website? How
Yeah,
often? Yes.
almost every day. I when I get chance, I usually uh, browse, roam on this website because uh, a lots of peoples who are from different occupations, especially HR and another others top peoples who are doing well, who are working in several company as a top person. So when I browse on these applications, so I get some new ideas, new knowledge, and their way of life, and they sometimes gives instructions that are very much helpful for the students and for the job seekers. So when I get times, I usually use this application website.
Okay, thanks for your asking answering questions. So we are going to next questions. What information the website gives you?
Yeah, I think I have already told you that the in a website in LinkedIn, most of the times the people who are connected in LinkedIn, they provide such types of instructions and informations which are much more valuable comparatively to the others website. And the people who are connected in LinkedIn, they are professionals, and they most of the time they hire the job seeker, and they also do some benevolent and social activities that is very much beneficial and very much well for the community. So these types of informations, which I get from the website, is much more uh, benefited that I usually get from this website.
Okay, and explain how your work or study should change if this website didn't exist.
Well, it will actually affect on my work because I totally depends on it, and because as this website is related to work, and that is why most of the time I I roam and browse through the website. I get informations I used to apply in my work, and I also get benefited applying this method or approach that are provided by the website. So if I cannot get access to this website, then I think that it will affect on my work.
Okay, so thanks all for us answering these questions. So Hassan, you asking me, and I also try this.
Okay, this is the test for speaking part 2. Okay, this is the test for speaking part 2. There are some questions I would like to ask you, and you have to ask according to the questions. And I think that all the questions will be from the questions. And so let me ask you one by one what the website is. Are you sorry? Describe the website you use that helps you a lot in your work or studies. You should say. My first question is, what is the website is?
Okay, I use the website in Upwork. Okay. Because I am a digital marketer for trying and searching a lot of works about related to digital marketing. So in this platform, which is I say this Upwork. This Upwork has a lot of opportunity they provide for searching digital marketing related work, digital marketing related jobs. So that's why I start this, and I contain and I take a lots of opportunity from this site.
Okay, well, so how often you use this website?
Okay, actually, digital marketing is as a digital marketer, we have a lot of works, a lot of jobs, because this is my earning part. This is my daily, a person's have a lot of money for investing any kinds of parts like family or other social activities. So as I need a lot of money, so I earn a lot of money. So that's why I use this website, and I getting a lot of opportunity, lot of jobs for related to digital marketing, like Facebook marketing, like YouTube marketing, SEO in Google, search engine optimization related jobs, a huge jobs, and YouTube related also I am expert in YouTube related any kinds of works like SEO and YouTube fully setups. So these all of these related jobs are found available easily in this site. So is for best website for me, and is also best earning point for me. Okay.
Okay, thank you for your question answer. So my next question is to you: what information the website gives you, and explain why, how you work or study would change if this website did not exist.
Okay, also I explained this in previous by two questions. These websites give me a lot of informations like when buyer what is buyer psychology. Okay, this site is give me a lot of informations like buyers psychologies, buyers what is what is the buyers wanted. Okay, buyers activities,
Yes.
psychology. So there's in this case I realize these buyer psychologies, and I provide my activities, my experience I share with them. I share my experience with them, and they get hire me for getting their works, getting their jobs, getting their any kinds of work. So this is most vital for me. A lot of countries informations, countries buyers informations also shows that this site which is I caught them, and I realized this, and I also submit my work activities in a gig. I think also about about this. So this is the shop, a small shop in this site. So when I go to your next questions, when this site didn't exist. So actually, there are a lot of site in the world. They are they getting more opportunity. There are a lot of site exist in our country. So when this site's Upwork is closed, is not matter for me, because I will divert others working site, others marketplace like Fiverr or People's Power. Is a lot of sites exist for around in the world. So this is no problem for me, because I am a digital marketer. So I am expert, which is I provide my experience, and I provide just I need a site. It's any kinds of site. I share my experience. So then I will get a lot of opportunity for doing any kinds of job. So thanks all for me from me.
Okay.
So I think you got it about my point. Hassan. So
Yes.
I think our speaking part two is has been closed. So has closed. So we I close this video and I restart another part again. Okay. So, Assalamualaikum.